Hello everyone, welcome to the crypto. My name is Arthur. In this video I'm going to show you crypto arbitrage opportunity that is available right now so that you and I can take advantage of this crypto arbitrage opportunity. So today I want to try something different, right? Because when I'm done recording these live arbitrage opportunities, you guys don't really find these crypto arbitrage opportunities. So in this video I want to show you crypto arbitrage opportunity that you and I can take advantage of, and this crypto arbitrage opportunity is available as I'm recording this video. So make sure you subscribe and click the like button for YouTube algorithm, really helping the channel, and it motivates me to come right here and show you all this good stuff. All right, so without any further ado, let's get right into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is to go to CoinMarketCap, all right, to make things simple. So this is CoinMarketCap right here, and you can see all the pairs and all that good stuff. And this crypto arbitrage opportunity is available right now, so make sure you watch the whole video to the very end so that you won't miss out anything, as I'm going to share some tips and all that good stuff in this video. All right, so right here we're gonna go ahead to search bar like this and type baby doge, all right, like this, baby doge, like this, or just scroll down like this and go to page 3. Okay, after go to page 3, go scroll down like this, and baby doge should be around 200 something if I'm not mistaken, right here. Okay, baby doge coin. And guys, you can only find these crypto arbitrage opportunities from Heavy Crypto. No one on YouTube has ever shown you these crypto arbitrage opportunities. So if you see any channel copying us and all that good stuff, just click the dislike button, because I do my own research and find these crypto arbitrage opportunities. All right, so let's go to baby doge coin right here, and you can see that this coin is not just any other coin, and you can see circulating supply is actually loads. Okay, but this coin was pumping over 3 months ago and all that good stuff. So this coin is not a scam coin. As you can see, it has a market cap over 100 million. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, and you can see that is under Binance Smart Chain BP20, meaning that you can actually use BP20 network. All right, if you want to transfer from one exchange to another. All right, so this is crypto arbitrage, a normal crypto arbitrage. This is not triangular crypto arbitrage. So we're gonna go through exchanges that you're gonna use for this crypto arbitrage opportunity. So as you can see right here, it has over 2 million volume within 24 hours. So this coin is not a scam coin, it's actually legit. All right, and is listed on all other major exchanges as well. All right, so guys, in this video I'm just going to show you crypto arbitrage opportunities that you and I can take right now. Okay, so as I'm waiting for my verification approval, because I've submitted my documents in different exchanges for this crypto arbitrage opportunity. All right, so as I'm waiting for approval, I want you guys to do the same thing so that you're gonna do live trading right here, you and me, and trade together, take advantage of this crypto arbitrage opportunities. All right, so the next thing, you're gonna have to go to where it's written markets like this, and it's gonna show you a bunch of exchanges that this coin is listed on. All right, so you can see that it's actually available on PancakeSwap, Huobi, OKX, Get.io, OKX as well, BitGet as well. These are all legit exchanges. All right, CoinX is also available right there. I don't actually trust these exchanges written moderate like this. All right, so don't trade on those exchanges. But the main point right here is that you can actually take advantage of this crypto arbitrage by buying this crypto on OKX and sell it on Huobi. All right, and I'm sure that you can actually use BEP20, which is Binance Smart Chain network, because this coin is under BP20. So I'm just gonna go ahead and refresh this page because I want to get the best price of this coin from different exchanges. Okay, so the main point is that you can actually buy it from OKX and sell it on Huobi, because I trust these crypto exchanges. That's why I submitted my documents right there so that they can verify my account, then take advantage of these crypto arbitrage opportunities. All right, so if I go ahead to OKX like this, I'm just gonna go ahead and click right there, and it's gonna show me the dashboard of OKX, including the price of baby doge coin. All right, and you can see that it's actually 867 USD right here. Okay, I don't want to name these nodes, not zeros and all that good stuff, but like, you know, I just want you to understand something right here. So you can see that the price of baby Dogecoin right here on OKX is actually 865 USD. All right, and if I go ahead and click the price of baby Dogecoin on Huobi right here, you can see that it's actually 974, if not 75 USD. All right, so let's go ahead, and you can see that it's actually 983 USD, and meaning that there is actually a price difference between these two exchanges, and you and I can take advantage of these crypto arbitrage opportunities. All right, so we're going to be buying from OKX and then sell it to Huobi. All right, that's how exactly we're going to do this, and we're going to use BEP20 network. All right, and guys, it's not only about these crypto exchanges, guys. Like, we have a lot of crypto exchanges that we can actually take advantage of. We have Get.io, is actually a legit exchange. We have let's see what we have. Let's see what we have right here. We have Bitmate right here. Okay, it's actually a good exchange. It's legit as well. We have Bitro right here. It's actually a good exchange. It's legit. Oh, on Bitro is actually 112. Let's see what's going on there. All right, because Bitro is actually a legit exchange. I've been using it as well. So right here you can see that it's actually 112 on Bitro. So right here you can actually buy using market order. All right, so don't worry about the fees because you have already made your profit right here simply by doing this. All right, so I'm waiting for my verification approval, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this crypto arbitrage opportunity, and I'm gonna record a live video taking this crypto arbitrage opportunity so that you guys can see. So if you're not in my private group, well, you're missing out, because I already sent this crypto arbitrage opportunity on my private group, telling them that, yeah guys, there's an opportunity that you can take right now on this exchange and on that exchange. All right, so make sure you join my private group. That's where I share a lot of my signals and all that good stuff. All right, so if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm, and don't forget to join my Telegram group. You're gonna find a lot of experienced traders on this group right here. I created this group for you, and there's freedom of speech. You can actually share your ideas and all that good stuff. All right, so the link to my Telegram group is going to be in the description as well. And if you really want to take this game to another level, then I suggest that you should take my course right here, or get Heavy Crypto Indicator. Just gonna go ahead to first link in the description below, go to Heavy Crypto Academy like this, and it's gonna show you Heavy Crypto dashboard like this. And if you wanna book me one-on-one, you're gonna go ahead and click this button right here, and you and me gonna be able to talk about whatever you wanna ask. All right, so if you wanna pay with paper, gonna go ahead and click this button, and if you wanna pay with crypto, gonna go ahead and click this button right here. And this course is gonna transform you from average trader into a savage trader, or from average trader into advanced trader. All right, just like right here, I started trading with less than $100 and I accumulated a lot of bitcoins. Right now I'm sitting at maybe around like 20 bitcoins from this space. So make sure you would go ahead and check this course. And if you want to know my secret, well, go ahead and get this indicator right here, Heavy Crypto Indicator. I've been using this indicator for more than 3 years, and I made a lot of cash using this simple indicator. It simply tells me when it's good time to buy and when it's good time to sell in real time. All right, so make sure you go ahead and watch this video right here on my channel, how I turned $100 to 12 figures. All right, and I hope it's gonna help you for the rest of your career. And I will leave the link to this video in the description below as well. And therefore, my name is Arthur. I'm signing out, your friend right here, your crypto friend. So make sure you hit the like button for YouTube algorithm, as it motivates me to come right here and show you these good news and crypto arbitrage opportunities. All right, so this is it. I'm signing out. My name is Arthur. Therefore, I'll see you in another video. Love and peace, my friends. Cheers.